Good day, guys. How are you doing today? I hope you are all progressing in your coding journey. Welcome back to class. Today, we shall be looking at a topic, and that is list items. List items, right? So, this is our folder that's Introduction to HTML, the folder, and in that folder, we have a file that we have worked on before. That's Introduction to HTML. So now we are creating a new file. Plus button, you know the process, right? So just do the same thing. Just name this one um list hyphen list items dot html. Enter. So this is our coding space, right? So let's give it a title, list items, right? So list items. That might my typos. Okay, so that's list item. Oh, for list. Don't mind me. So list items, that's our title because that's the topic we are treating. But before we proceed, this is our body. This is where we'll be writing our code, if you can remember, right? Let's proceed. Let's give it heading one. That's our page heading, right? H1. Let's capitalize it. List items. Do you know that you can as well style this thing by italicizing it, right? Just to make your code fancy. Yes, I that's italicized, right? Delete this. Is it working? Yes, it's working, right? So this there is a button here. This desktop button, it is used to navigate between websites mode, that is desktop mode, and mobile mode. This is mobile mode, right? So if you click this desktop button, do you see that? That is desktop mode. Click it again, mobile mode. So that's the function. So now that's list item. What is list item in HTML? List item. You must have been hearing list. So list item, it is used to specify list of information. List item, it is used to specify list of information. Let me write that here. So I've been using this tag. I use it in the previous class, right? This tag, it is a comment tag. That's a comment tag. So everything you write inside this tag will not appear on your page. Let's test it. We are dealing with list tab. So definition of list item. Definition: list item lost. Okay. List item is used to list item is used to specify list of information So that is list item. Do you see, as I said earlier, that this tag, it is a comment tag. Anything you write between this tag will not appear on your page. Do you see? We still have list items. That's our issue. So I'll be using this tag to explain everything you have to know in this class before we practicalize it. So that is list items. And we have three types of list items, but in this class we are going to be looking at only two of them, right? So types. So types, one, we have the first list item we have is ordered list or numbered list. That is, ordered ordered list or numbered list. Hmm? So that is the first list item. The second one, on order list or bullet list. On order on ordered list or bullet list. So that's the two types of list we'll be talking about in this class. So this ordered list, we use this tag for it, ordered list, as the name implies, ordered list. So the first letter in the words, the order and list, that is OL, that's the first letter. So that is what we use for the for the tag OL, that's for ordered list. Hmm? For unordered list, UL, right? That's for unordered list. Just open your tag UL. So that's the tag we'll be dealing with. So when we are practicalizing it, I'll be explaining their functions and how they works. Okay, so number one, that's ordered list, right? So ordered list, I said we'll be using this tag OL. So you see now, anything outside this comment tag will appear on your page. You see? Okay, OL, that's your ordered list. So this ordered list, it is a parent list. So in it is where you will list your items. Okay, so to list your item, just write LI and close it. That's how to list your items in ordered list. The same thing applies to another list. Okay, let's just say country, right? Let's country, just name any country, random country. Nigeria is a country. Nigeria is a country. um Nigeria is a country. What other country? Dubai. What other country? America. Sorry, America. America is a country. So that is ordered list. So let's view our web page to see our progress so far. So that is ordered list. As the title implies, it's a ordered list or numbered list. You can see it is ordered, it is in ordered and numbered, right? One, two, three. You can see that in the code we do not write anything like 1, 2, 3. We just write ordered list as a parent tag, and in the parent tag we list our item, that Nigeria, Dubai, America. Okay, so that is ordered list. So the next list the next list item is unordered list, and I said in this comment that order unordered list, it carries this tag UL, right? UL, that is the parent tag. The same thing applies to this. You will list your items here. So here we are. Let's say we want to mm, yeah, let's say we want to list some states. Let's say Lagos. You can decide not to capitalize your words between the tags. Just put something there. Uh what I'm what I'm after is, I want you to understand this, okay? Just understand and replicate, because you are to submit your assessment on these two. Okay, after this class you'll be given an assessment. So let's come back to class. So Lagos is a state. Abuja is a state. Abuja is a state. The next one, let's say Kaduna. Kaduna. So that's Kaduna. So let's see. You can see, you know, in the introduction to list item, I say unordered list or bullet list. Hmm? You can see it is unordered. There is no 1 2 3 here. Instead of 1 2 3, there is a bullet. You see, this bulletin. Okay, this is what we call bulletin. This dots, dots, dots is bulletin. So that's the difference between ordered list and unordered list. So another thing I would like to show you is that here, these three dots, this navigation button here, if you click it, you can copy the URL of your page, you can refresh, okay, you can open this web page in your browser without using any data. Without internet connection, you can open it. Okay, I'm using Opera Mini as my default browser. It has to show. Okay, do you see that? It will show. I'm not using any mobile data right now. You can see. You can see. So I just quickly explain that. So let's go back. Let's go back and your assessment. Your assessment. Let me use comment again. Your assessment. What's your assessment? Create a new file as usual. Create a new file and name it list items. Okay, list items dot html. You see, list items dot html. Name your file list items dot html and replicate this. Okay, replicate it. You can put some random words in the ordered list and unordered list. Just show me what you got. Okay, show me you understand this topic, list items. That's your assessment. Okay, see you in the class. Thank you.